One of the new features in Civil 3D 2020 is the updated Analyze Gravity Network command to analyze a gravity pipe network and then apply the results to the gravity pipe network while in the model. The updated feature utilizes the hydraulic properties and gutter details for each structure being analyzed in this network. The wizard for the Analyze Gravity Network command has been replaced with a modeless dialog box which enables you to directly interact inside the drawing. There are three different types of analysis to choose from, starting with pipe sizing, computing energy and hydraulic grade lines, and inlet analysis. By selecting the Network Details button before you run the analysis, you can review and resolve any issues before performing the final analysis. Additional outfall options have been added to give you more design options. You can look at the final results of your analysis in an Excel spreadsheet for reporting. Take advantage of these new features in Civil 3D 2020.